pretty decent at roll racing. Hello and welcome to Orlando Speed World. I'm here with Adam LZ and the entire crew of YouTubers here today, and I am in Smurf, my Mustang, and this will be the first time I'm at a drag strip with it supercharged. The last time I was here, I was NA, and I was running basically low 12. I'm not really gonna be going for a time. I'm gonna be going for trap speed. I can't really launch this car that hard because I have the stock diff in it, stock drivetrain, stock transmission, stock motor, all that with the supercharger. So I'm gonna be cautious coming off the line and probably kind of roll into it rather than trying to get a good 60 foot and everything. I need to get home. This is my only ride home, so knock on everything. All right, I'm gonna race TJ. Third gear and nothing happened. It's misfiring.
And it needs some new ones, David.
At least I know it's either that cylinder ejector or that cylinder coil. Change the coil and then see if it changes the cylinders and then go from there, you know? So.
Hey, that's what happens when you daily
David,
drive
code
something.
reader?
You're just like, no, I don't.
We should probably buy like one of the little pocket so we can at least check it and see if it...
What'd you say?
Honestly,
It should give you reason to change more, David.
Thank you, thank you. This is side commentary.
What are you doing? Bye, TJ's FD. You're very pretty. So 3 stores later, finally found the ones we need, and we're gonna see if that will fix the problem. Right, George?
What are you saying right to?
I don't know.
I only agree to good stuff, you know?
What are you gapping him at?
28.
28.
28.
It's way too high, David.
Yeah, we gotta fix that.
We need to mellow down. Simmer down.
Like, I don't like doing iridium ones because the tips on them are so hard, it actually digs into this. That's why I'd rather gap down iridium than actually, like, you know, expand the gap, because you end up tearing they're doing on the wood.
Make you work on your little beast.
David, is that a girl teaching you something?
I've done plugs for 3.5 years.
Give her the props.
I am giving her the props.
You even got oil on your face.
Oh my God,
already.
leave me alone.
Girls are smart too.
I know they are. Oh my God. Renting out will airdrop and you literally will.
That's what I've heard, it's really rough there.
It's very technical. When I learned to drive there.
Yeah.
You guys look like sad boys.
That's what I like.
Sad boys.
Yeah, that's me.
Do it, you won't.
Whoa! There's a right way to put in spark plugs and a wrong way.
Tell us about it.
The wrong way is with a 1/2 impact.
Oh my God, no. Even I know that. Oh my God.
David, the spark plugs are tight on this side. Please hold this. Let's go ahead and pop the coals back into cylinders.
Cylinders.
Get my bolt. If this doesn't fix it, we're just gonna put some diesel in it.
No.
That looks good.
Yeah, it sounded good.
Fun.
It sounded good. All right, we'll see you later.
Sorry, can I get that again? See you later.
My job's done.
Guys, this is who G&G Automotive is.
Yeah,
once he gets your...
buddy.
Ooh, damn. That That's what happens when you get your job done too. All right, my job. I'm sorry, guys. Get you a guy that works on your car with them kids. Don't fall, please.
Third and the car went bald.
Oh no, I saw.
And it just wouldn't do it.
I got a really small melon.
So just me too.
Y'all got small hands?
I have to wear like an extra small.
I wear small. Yeah.
These are so funny.
Remember how notchy this thing sounds?
Oh.
It's
Oh yeah.
so satisfying.
Yeah. Look.
Oh, it's so
Alright, I'm just
good.
gonna cruise into first. Dude, I'm not gonna lie, the drag strip's way more fun when you just roll into it.
I didn't do any rolling starts.
This is my third one, and I'm like, I wanna do this all day.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's nice.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, it's so consistent.
It's just easy.
I think it was it fourth? You were fourth felt good.
Well, fourth, so the reason when we were racing, the reason I was having so much trouble was I was dead hooking in third, and the car was like, no. Like it would bog and be like, I'm gonna save your parts. That's basically what it was doing. And that time, I know if you saw, I took a giant breath. I was like, eh.
You kind of like.
Yeah, but no, fourth in this car is wild because the 1-to-1 power gear is fifth.
Really?
Yeah, so you're most powerful in fifth. But that's why this car's so good for roll racing.
Yeah, it's seriously like high speed.
We were like right at like a little bit over 120 across the line, so I'm happy.
Damn, dude, it feels so good.
First gear was like, uh-oh.
Yeah, I was
We were
like, woohoo! That's great.
Well, I'm just glad you finally got to experience it.
I know, it's been so long.
Yeah, because last time we were in the car together, we were sitting in traffic trying to get to a hotel.
Yeah, was that for?
IA.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was rough.
Yeah, I think that was 2 years ago.
Yeah, no, well, it was right when I moved to Atlanta, remember?
Yeah,
And Adam
that's
came
right.
up. First time I met Adam, first time seeing Taylor, first time seeing everybody.
Wow, that
Yeah.
went by really fast.
Oh, pff,
2
yeah.
years went by really fast.
Dude, it's like everybody's having car trouble today, man.
Yeah. Yeah, I think Adam's broken every car except the R3. Well, he did screw the R3, but he fixed it now.
Right. It's not that scary, it's just smooth and fun.
I mean, yeah, but I mean, coming from the driver's seat, you're so like accustomed to it, you don't even like notice it, but
Right.
it moves.
Now,
It moves.
did you ever see when Adam drove this car?
No.
He lost his mind.
Really?
Like, I was shocked.
It is so consistent, and that's what I appreciate the most. Like, the power band is just like so solid and smooth all the way through, and that's something that
When I can actually
really
hook.
appreciate.
You know,
Yeah.
earlier it was just,
Yeah, first gear was pretty funny.
no, yeah. Oh.
It just like straight punches it. Oh. That was awesome.
Now imagine these with a 10-speed in it. You
Dude, that's
skyrocket,
crazy. That's
dude.
crazy.
Okay, Smurf is safe. We gotta ride along. 3 poles. I'm good. I need to stop. How was your day today, sir?
I'll tell you, it was hectic because I got to babysit this guy, but he did pretty good. We got down the track. The Miatas did really well.
They did. They
Yeah.
did great today.
Pretty impressed with that little SR swap.
Oh yeah, it did what? Like a 12.3?
12.3 at
118. That's
yeah.
hauling,
That's
dude.
moving.
What's funny is that car is only probably 2,200 pounds.
Yeah.
Mine is much heavier, but I need a lot more power,
Yeah.
and it evens out in a lot of ways. I think that's so cool. Taylor, did you have a good day today?
I did.
How'd you do?
I did good. I did a 12.3.
Oh, just like this?
With only 4th gear.
Did you just bog into it, or?
Well, no. Like,
Oh, not
I didn't
going
have
into fifth.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I was rev limiter at like 1,000 foot mark.
Oh my God. Because
Yeah.
what trans are you using?
CD09.
Oh, okay.
So 5th is 1-to-1.
Fifth, so that's just like me. Fifth's 1-to-1 for me too.
So having only 4th, I was kind of like, I'd hit limiter pretty early, but it went. It was pretty fun.
Yeah, you did
was
great.
fun.
You
Thank
spun
you.
a lot too, just
Yeah,
like me.
I finally got it figured out towards the end there. I'd leave like kind of soft and then lay into it, and it was good.
What's funny, everyone's gonna give me crap for not getting a good time, but at the same time, it's like, I had way more fun just rolling into it and just going crazy
I just
fast.
I wasn't trying to go.
I was
crazy.
here to go fast. That's what I wanted to do, and I never got to go fast because I had the spark plug issue, and then I bogged, and then I couldn't go any faster because the car was like, nope, misfire. So I was like, I need to go fix this. Came back from 3 stores. No one had the plugs we needed.
Oh, really?
Came all the way back, and then we're just like, we're just gonna roll into it and see what happens.
And it worked?
And it worked.
Oh,
and it was
I thought you
way
changed the
faster.
plugs.
It felt faster. I was like, it probably just needed plugs. So Adam is very, very close to getting a 10-second pass. He's at 11.0. So we're hoping he breaks that bench mark. That launch was, so
great.
good, dude.
60
That was legit. Well, he's got the launch down. 1-4. That was freaking gnarly, dude. That was very smooth. Come on, Trev. 11.4. Wow. It's right there. Oh, it's right there. 128. Yeah.
And that's hot lap.
Yeah. Without letting it cool down.
This got full
Ready?
foot though.
Wait, why is this not recording? What's going on?
Huh?
There we go.
You got it flat now.
Okay, we're good.
Oh, it's not bad. That's not cool.
How was my 60 foot? You recorded?
Machucou, hein?